Hello students! In this video we will consider the past paper analysis and approaches standard level November 2025. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will increase up your marks in the final exams. Okay, let's start. This is a question number 1, 6 marks total, and given the question about the statistics. So this is 3 parts here. Part A, find the value of K. How to find the value of K? So given the probability distribution table, and we know that the second row, so addition of all probabilities, is equal to 1, right? So that's why let's use this to find the K. So in part A, we have to add up all together 0.2 plus 0.3 plus K plus 0.1 is equal to 1, okay? And now let's solve this equation. So K is equal to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.3 and minus 0.1. So the K will be equal to 0.4. Okay, that's how you will get the first 2 marks. Now part B. In part B, you should find the probability P of X more or equal than 1.5. And X, so X is here, right? The first row is X. And what does it mean? 1.5, there is no any 1.5, right? But since it is discrete random variable, it means that this is identical as X is more or equal than 2. Okay, and that's why we have to find the values that more or equal than 2, the probabilities corresponding to X 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so it's actually also we can write it in this way, yeah? So P of X is equal to 2 plus P of X is equal to 3 and P of X is equal to 4. And now let's plug the corresponding numbers. Plus 0.4, it's our K value, yeah? Plus 0.1, it is 0.8. It's another 2 marks. And find the expected value, expectation. According to the formula of expectation, you will find it in formula booklet as well. I will write shortly here. It's simply addition of probabilities and corresponding X values. We can write this way or use this way, which is actually the same, yeah? So we have to first multiply X value with corresponding probability and add up all together, right? Let's do that. So we have 1 times 0.2 plus 2 times 0.3 plus 3 times K is 0.4 and 4 times 0.1. And now let's just calculate. So 0.2 plus 0.6 plus 1.2, yeah, plus 1.2 and plus 0.4. Okay, so it is how much? This is 1, 2.2, 2.4, 2.4. So A of X expectation is equal to 2.4. This is another 2 marks. Okay, it was a question number 1. Hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Watch my next videos and see you in the next videos.